Hey guys, this is Frank. In this video, I will show you how to create the Navtalk AI avatar with some tool. I was using the Clean to create the avatar, but right now I found another powerful tool, which is the TopMediAI. This one is an all-in-one platform for the image to the video. If you want to try different model, you could just use this subscription. You don't need to purchase a whole bunch of the subscription like the Sora, the WAN. So you just use one account. This could help you try different model. In this video, I will show you how to use this tool to help me create the Navtalk AI avatar. Okay, let's start from beginning. So first of all, if you want to create your own avatar, you have to take a photo. No matter with your iPhone, with your camera, or you generate some photo, you need to have a static photo. The next one, you need to generate a video. This will make your photo alive. So basically, it will generate a 5 seconds video. So right now, I use the TopMediAI. I will show you how to do this. Next one, you need to edit the video to generate a 2 seconds closed looping video. This will make your movement more smooth, make your face more smooth, and it's closing loop, so it won't jump a lot. So I will show you how to do this. The next one, we will use the Navtalk AI console tool to training the avatar. This may take about 2 minutes. It will use the 2 seconds video as the base video. So I will show you later this one. The last one would be verify the results. So I will show you how to do all of these 5 steps. Okay, let's start from the first one. I already have a photo over here, so here is an image. This image is 1080 by 1080. I will use this one to generate a 5 seconds video with the TopMediAI. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, you need to go here and click image to video. Of course, you need to create your account. I already have the account, so I just pick up the model I'm going to using. I still using the Clean. So now let's drag the file to here. Okay. Let's put some prompt over here. I already have the prompt, so let me just copy the prompt over here. The prompt is very important. So the prompt say, okay, you need to look at the camera and blink naturally. Do not make any other expression or movement. Keep your face facing to the camera, and of course, do not move the camera. I will put this prompt to the video description, so you guys could just use exactly the same one. Now let's say the quality will be the 1080p, just 5 seconds. Okay, let's start. This one may take about 2 minutes. Okay, now it's finally get generated. Let's review that. This looks good. Okay, now let's download this one and move to the next step. So let's go over here. So let's take a quick review. Looks good, looks very clear. Okay, now I use the DaVinci to edit the video. So let's I already did this before, but right now let me start from beginning. Let's start a new project. Okay, let's go here. Let's drag the file to here and start edit here and go to editing. Find the exactly point the eye get close. So let's go over here. Okay, right here, say the eye get close and move back forwards to half seconds. So half seconds, that means should be 4. 19 subtract 15, so 4. Okay, so let's cut from here. Now let's move forwards another half seconds. Let's cut from here. Okay, let's remove the one we don't need. Let's delete this guy, delete this guy. Now it's just 1 second. We need to duplicate this one, so just say copy this one and paste this one. Now let's do some, there's some tricky. So right now if you play from here to here, you will see it's jump a lot, right? It's jump a lot. So we need to reverse this one. That means this one could right click to here, so it will be more smooth. And the first frame and the last frame should be connected together. They are the same. So let's reverse this one. Right click this one and go to the change clip speed, reverse speed. Click change. Okay, now let's take a look. So it's more smooth. Okay, it's not jump. It's not jump. Okay. Now this looks perfect. Now let's export this one. Let's go to the setting. Now let's take a look at the result. So result 2. Let's open this one. This looks good. Now let's go to the Navtalk. Like I mentioned before, if you don't want to create your own one, you could use existing one. Just click this guy, click add, it will go here. Once it go here, you can use this one directly. So, but for this case, I will create your own one. So just click this button to say, let's change the name, test 5, pick up the voice. I prefer
Hi
this
there,
one.
I'm Marin, your sunny
So
voice of smiles, ready to brighten your day with warmth and a sprinkle of fun.
Click generate. This one may take about 2 minutes to get it training. So let's wait another 2 minutes. Now it's working. So let's click the button over here. Now it's show up over here. So let's do some test. Let's call. Hey, could you tell me a story?
Of course, I'd love to tell you a story. What kind of story are you in the mood for?
Could you, okay, stop. Could you count from 1 to 10?
Sure. I'll count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go.
Yeah, it's look perfect. So far, I already show you how to generate your own AI avatar with your own photo. This is very helpful. Of course, you need to use some TopMediAI. So this is very useful. If you don't like that video, you could change the model, use a different model to try to do another try, which is very convenient. You don't need to purchase a different tool, just everything in one account. Yeah, I think that is very helpful. Let me know if you have any question to generate your own AI avatar. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hope it's helpful. See you next time. Bye.